Alright, we can Scooby-Dooby-Doo this.
Where are you? We got some work to do.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo, ba Scooby-Dooby-Doo, ba Scooby-Dooby-Doo, Scooby!
Wow, wow, wow. The tugboat, for its size, is here and accounted for, and the star tugs are completely stupid. They don't know what to do or how to do anything. They are like some really autistic children. And anyways, this is MTV Cribs. Sorry. It was high wind season on the island of Sodor, and this weird ass tugboat just kind of sat on the edge of the yard, but it's not important right now.
Man, Sunshine, is it a great day in not America?
What are you
Yeah,
talking
man,
about?
it's so great. Anyways, you know what they say, something side, sailor's delight.
Dude, I don't care. I'm just looking for big booty Latinas.
What?
What are you talking about, Sunshine? Are you being degenerate again? Are you being
Nothing. I'm telling you
degenerate again?
this.
Answer me.
Sentence. Confidence.
Sunshine, me boy, you need help.
Yeah,
No,
Sunshine, that was
I'm just lonely. No, shut up.
You need
Princess.
Jesus.
I'm telling you this in confidence.
Sunshine, me boy, you need Jesus.
Come on, Sunshine, let's get you. Oh my god. Zebedee! What the friggle fraggle? He's cutting in line! Oh, I cannot believe this.
Ta-ta, fuckers.
Man, this
wonder
motherfucker
what
not
he's doing.
only is cutting in line, he's got a loose barge. Sunshine, what do you think of that?
Why is he black?
Yeah?
No, that's the question. Why is he like? Why is his pen shop like that? Is it?
Because it is. Now, hold on. I gotta help somebody out here. Hey, Zebedee! Your barge is floating away, bro.
It is not. You're just trying to switch at my attention.
No.
Everyone wants my attention. Yaha.
No.
Stop! I'm not signing autographs. Let me go.
You're not popular. You're not him. You're not him, bro.
I am him. Shut up.
Alright, fine. I'll let you be.
Stupid.
I'll let you be. Yeah. Just watch.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
This nefarious gentleman was about to sneak in and cause immense property damage.
It's time to put my grand plan into action.
He set off, unaware that there was a little midget there with the hard M as
Oh,
crazy.
You are causing confusion and delay or something. I don't know. I said you're causing confusion and delay. Stop. Just stop. Are you deaf?
Plan Z, I love ya.
You are not.
Zebedee then puffed around the corner, only to see his old mob boss. Hello, old mob boss.
Oh.
If it isn't Zebedee.
It can't be. What are you doing here? You're
It's
supposed to be
me.
scrapped.
I've come back to the harbor to finally steal the Krabby Patty secret formula.
The crab. Oh,
Yes.
okay. Just as long as you leave me alone, okay, man?
Oh no, you're gonna help me sneak into the port because if you don't, I'll touch you or something. I don't know.
Wow!
No, not again.
He said not again! Wait a minute!
Well, Well, if you won't touch me, if it gets you not to touch me, then yeah, sure, I'll help you.
Yeah, good.
Just stay away from me, you creep.
Zebedee moored him up in the one spot where everybody was driving through, but you know what? We're gonna ignore that because plot convenience.
Stay here. No one really passes around here, I think.
I can deny it no longer. I'm small.
You're... Okay. Well... just stay here. I'll grab the Krabby Patty or something.
Good.
Don't laugh, not... something.
Old buildings. That's it. It's just old buildings. Suddenly, sunshine.
What's happening over there? No.
Oh my god! Scuttlebutt! Why the Freckle? Oh, do they call you Scuttlebutt, bro?
Ah, which one of you's touching my butt? Ah!
Dude, I'm walking here! What?
Scuttlebutt!
10 cents, he's touching me! He's
Hey,
touching
hold
me,
back!
10 cents.
Hold him down!
I'm gonna scuttle your butt!
What?
Oh. Hey, what's happening around here, boys?
Oh, thank God, 70. Little bro, you always want, so get your gluteus maximus over here, bro.
Did somebody say gluteus maximus? That's another word for butt.
Anyway,
Get over here.
let's
Get over here and help
this
us. Time
ruffian
down.
out of here. Yes.
Get scuttled, bitch!
I am Zebby, and I'm the greatest.
Lucas wipe. Suddenly, Zebedee stealing. Little did he know, Top Hat was very obviously in the background, and the fire tug was right fucking there. He could turn his head at any point, but we're gonna gloss over that.
What is Zebedee doing? That is very sus, if you may say. I should tell someone important about this.
Yeah, it's kind of like.
I got the Krabby Patty formula. Now you can scram off out of here so I can get back in charge or something.
Oh, that's not the real formula.
What do you mean, boss?
You need to get it directly from Captain Zero. Because if you don't, I'm putting the brain in the robot!
Oh. Well, I won't like that.
Just then, another scene.
Mika, where's well, what you doing here? Don't you know? That we gotta do a poor job?
I was just out here pondering the fact that Scuttlebutt Pete got arrested.
He what?
Yeah, but what was your thing?
Oh, we gotta duck in the Duchess?
Again?
Yes, cause it's another one? Like, come on, Mick, keep up with the times. Oh, yo.
How many times are we gonna have to dock that giant bitch?
Dub. Huh, I like that name. Rugs
Yeah,
is
Dub.
rug.
Just then, another fucking scene. This skips around a lot, haven't you noticed?
I don't like just but it doesn't get it.
Hey! Hey! I've been betrayed!
What?
Hey, you there! Tug guy, help! Would you help a poor guard out?
I'm pondering the pros to the cons.
Man,
And I like the
the
cons
pro
better,
is you
so-
don't get arrested!
Well, if I leave you here, you're just gonna die alone, so... It's a...
Michael! Don't leave me here! Michael! Michael! Help me!
Yes, your life really is in my hands. So, like... Should I help you or
Gonna
not?
do something?
I don't know. You know what? I'll help you, I guess.
Okay, thank you. I'm sorry
Alright.
for all the Fazbear stuff.
Maybe you can finally arrest that weird guy that was gonna touch me or something.
Oh, good, you know him. Okay.
I don't like him. He touched me before.
Well, don't worry. He shall touch nothing but jail cells.
I hope they touch him in jail.
Whoa!
Ah, and here's
He's
the
in
other
jail with
toucher.
Scuttlebutt. That's definitely gonna happen.
And here's the
Fire.
other toucher now.
Scuttlebutt.
Ugh. Scuttlebutt. When did he become a shit heel?
Holy shit, another Lucas wipe. Anyways, another save.
Zebedee! I've been hearing that you've been helping out those star switches, Sunshine and 10 cents. What's all that about,
You're not the boss of me, Zoran.
I literally am.
One day, I'll kill you and I'll become the leader of our little group phase.
What?
Meanwhile,
The Star Tugs were having the most difficult time docking just the Duchess repainted. Holy crap, Lois, it's the Titanic. It didn't sink. Conspiracy confirmed. Hello, Internet. Welcome to Film Theory.
Isn't that real?
I don't have any more strength to go, lads. I need you to do other shit. Oh, it's moving. Fuck.
oh
we're dead.
no! Oh, I'm gonna die! Oh man, I'm not gonna make it!
Hercules, this is literally your job!
Hercules! Big bro! You gotta pull this like you never pulled
You don't
before.
think I've been trying that, you fucking
Oh,
Nimrod?
shoot him, man.
Hercules, boy, you need to lock in.
I can't do anything for you guys.
I'll give someone money if they will help us.
Oh my god, I'm getting touched again.
Zebedee, me boy, where are you?
Scooby-Doo! Where are you?
Pushing sounds. Pushing sounds.
Zebedee, me boy, I will give you money.
Hooray!
Ugh. Yes, I'm helping you Star Tugs again. Oh,
Hooray!
Zebedee, you have come to the rescue. Thank you. Oh, no problem. I'll give you my autograph later.
He is still not him.
He is him to me. 10 cents. Shut the fuck.
Shut up, man.
I cannot believe what I've just witnessed.
Zebedee then puffed away because not all heroes wear capes.
Traitor! Oh, well. Did you get my secret recipe?
Yes. No. I think. I'll have it later.
This calls for drastic measures!
Uh,
Is that Hercules? Fuck my foot.
Yeah, what have we got here, my dears? I've caught you. This man is wanted for almost everything illegal. The only thing he hasn't committed is
It
at
was
least
just a
one war
joke, you
crime.
know, with the helmets and the buckets and the statues and I will destroy all of you! You'll never catch me, perhaps. Not when I shift into maximum overdrive.
Clank.
I
Oh,
knew I
good
should have
God.
gotten the turbo.
Well done, Zebedee. I almost forgot your name there.
All hail Plankton! All hail Plankton! Ow!
Whoa, 10 cents.
Just
they
then,
got another
sunset.
one.
Man, the quality's so laggy. Also, hey, what's up?
Literally the most beautiful shot in the world.
Hello. Hello, adoring fans. How are you doing?
We are not your fans.
I know Sunshine is. Isn't that right, Sunshine? Not anymore, but you kind of went with Diddy. You know?
Wait, he what?
Why are we calling?
What?
Why are we talking so much about the boats getting touched, bro?
I don't know. Anyway. Have fun with life, 10 cents, and Sunshine. You two have great potential for things. Don't be like me, and also don't join my gang.
You're what?
And thus, this stupid fucking idiot puffed away into the sunset, never to be seen again, because he literally puffed into the sun. Why do you have to fall in love?
is curious.
I forgot the
I
of the
have
rest of the
Let me go ahead and open up their mouth.
Curiosity.
Go, go,
All right,
Papa
cool.
Rangers.
Can we give me a second?
I don't give a shit. I don't know. I heard.
Dude, I'm walking here.
Get scuttled, bitch.
He's touching me. And since he's
Yo,
touching
Get
My
Get scuttled, bitch.
My butt.
Yo, we gotta go back.
Ah!
me.
Oh god, this
My
is
asshole.
Stop.
Whoa, chill.
Oh my God.
Get scuttled, bitch. Use that shit if I ever get caught in a road rage incident.
Man.
Oh no, you're gonna help me sneak into the port because if you don't, I'll touch you or something. I don't know.
Wow!
Oh, not again.
He said not again! Wait a minute! He said not again! Back
Yo,
the
what's that
fuck-
supposed to mean?
That's fucking crazy!